Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor Zoology, SPCGCA Ajmer.
आज हम प्रोटोजोआ के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. प्रोटोजोआ मीन्स फर्स्ट एनिमल्स. दे आर यूनिसेल्युलर यूकैरियोटिक एनिमल्स. दे constitute 65,000 species and some are pathogenic, parasitic to human and other animals, causing hundreds and millions of infections. Mostly unicellular organisms with fully functional cell live freely or parasitic. Protozoa, Arachimo, heterotrophs. They are motile, have locomotive organelles, example flagella, cilia or pseudopodia. Protozoa are eukaryotic animals, means nucleus and mitochondria are present. Their organelles are highly specialized for feeding, reproduction and movement. The cytoplasm of protozoa are divided into outer ectoplasm and inner endoplasm. Protozoa, this is the diagram of paramecium. Outer cilia are present, two nucleus are present, macronucleus and micronucleus. Food vacuoles are present, pore is also present, anal pore and contractile vacuole present. Oral groove is present from where food enters the body. ये तो हो गया ना. हाँ, ectoplasm helps in movement, feeding and protection. Endoplasm houses nucleus, mitochondria and food. Some protozoa have special appendages, cilia, flagella or pseudopodia. Freshwater protozoa have contractile vacuole which pump out excess water. Their shape may remain constant in ciliates or change as in amoeba. This is the diagram showing ectoplasm and endoplasm, outer ectoplasm and inner endoplasm. The size of protozoa range from 3 to 300 micrometer. Few ciliates and amoeba are large enough and can be seen with naked eye, but others are not seen by naked eye except sporozoites. All type of protozoa are motile either through flagella, cilia or pseudopodia. Sporozoites have no locomotory organelles. They have eye spots, can detect change in light response, light and learn from trial and error. This is the diagram showing eye spot in paramecium. Now comes nutrition in protozoa. Some protozoans feed on dead plants and animals, debris. Others trophozoite feed on bacteria, microbe and algae. Parasitic protozoa feed on fluids of other hosts like plasma, blood cells and cell organelles. Some protozoa live in symbiotic relationship with other plants and animals. On the basis of locomotory organelles or motility, protozoa are classified into four main groups: flagellates, ciliates, sarcodina and sporozoites. Flagellates move with the help of flagella. A tail-like structure is present. The movement is whip-like. Example of flagellates are Trypanosoma leishmania, blood parasites, Giardia intestinal parasite, Trichomonas reproductive tract pathogen. Ciliate protozoa have cilia for locomotion. These are fine hair-like structure attached with their body. Some protozoa have a special kind of cilia for feeding and attachment. Most of the ciliates are harmless, but some others are disease causing. One of the species is Balanterium coli, and this is pathogenic for human and causes a rare and severe disease which is also known as dysentery and causes dysentery in human beings. This is the diagram of ciliate: contractile vacuole, food vacuole, macronucleus, micronucleus, mouth, gullet, anal pore and This figure is showing movement in amoeba. How amoeba moves. This picture is perfectly showing movement in amoeba. Sarcodina, their locomotory motor organelles are pseudopodia, means false foot. Common example of Sarcodina is amoeba. Most species are harmless. Entamoeba is the only species causing intestinal disease, dysentery in human beings. Entamoeba is parasitic and it causes dysentery in human beings. Now comes sporozoites. Sporozoites are the only non-motile group of protozoa. Sporozoites have well-developed sexual and asexual stages. Entire group is parasitic. Some common examples are sporozoites and their infections are Plasmodium causing malaria and Toxoplasma gondii causes toxoplasmosis. Malaria is well known for us. Now Plasmodium structure: pore rings, macronucleus, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum and nucleus. Now comes reproduction in protozoa: asexual and sexual. Asexual with the help of budding, binary fission, schizogony, and sexual with the help of conjugation and gametogamy. Schizogamy is also known as multiple fission. Sexual method: two types, conjugation and gametogamy. Schizogony is multiple fission. Many nucleus, small portion of cytoplasm are produced. Protozoan cell divided into daughter cells. Now comes schizogony, in which this is divided into multiple mitosis. Schizones are formed, and from schizones merozoites are formed by cytokinesis. Many merozoites are formed by cytokinesis. Sexual reproduction is of two types, conjugation and gametogony. Conjugation: two protozoa meet together and exchange genetic material. Gametogony: union of two sexually different cells. Gametogony is union of two sexually different cells. Now comes disease caused by protozoa: malaria, Plasmodium, it is caused by Plasmodium, giardiasis caused by Giardia intestinalis, amoebic dysentery caused by Entamoeba histolytica, toxoplasmosis caused by Toxoplasma gondii, cryptosporodiasis caused by Cryptosporidia, and sleeping sickness caused by Trypanosoma, leishmaniasis, Kala Azar caused by Leishmania donovella. Now comes antiprotozoal drugs. Example of antiprotozoal drugs are chloroquine, mefloquine and pyrimethamine. Metronidazole was developed as an antiprotozoal drug. It includes breaks DNA of sensitive organism and also disrupt membrane integrity. Other antiprotozoal agents are sulfonamides, trimethoprim, inhibit folic acid synthesis. Thank you.